All right, so here we have a CONAR Model 223 tube tester, and this one came to me fairly recently, and this one was in an estate sale. I mean, it looks like it's never been used. It literally looks new, um, and I just pulled out a tube here. I've got a 6BE6 tube in here, and so just wanted to show you how clean this thing is. And yes, these switches are in the correct position, believe it or not, to test this too. So it's fairly easy to use, I will say that for it. And so we've got it, here's the 6BE6 setting. Is the way this works is you've got A, B, C, and D settings. And so A is, as you can see here, is number 2. So we've got A set for number 2. B is set for 8. And yes, there's number 8. The C setting is 3. So we have 3 in the C position here. So you just, these are all supposed to be in the normal position down below until you need them. So in this case, C is all the way up, which it is. And then the D is set for 14, which is right over here. And as you can see, I have it set at about 14. There you have it. And then the test, to test the tube, you can check it for shorts also, but we're doing the test of the tube, so it has to be 1, 5, 6, 7. So oops, did I not have 1 up there? 1, hold on a second. I guess I didn't have this right. Pause the video. Actually, I did have it right. I thought I didn't. So 1 is in the test position, 1, 5, 6, 7. So those are all now correct. The rest of these all stayed down in the normal position. So that's how you do, at least this part of the 6BE6 actually has 2 tests, as you can see. The first test is the position which we have it here. The second one is just number 1 and number 6. But we'll do the 1, 5, 6, 7 test, and the way you test the tube is by pressing this button, the big red button, which I love. So I will go ahead and press that. As you can see, it has a good reading. There you go. And there's the line test, by the way. You want to have this, it's a little bit low right now. You want to have that adjust the line to where it's right in the middle, and you do that by adjusting this. Here, I'll show you. I can turn this down or turn it up, and so you can get it, you want to get it right in the middle there to get a proper reading. And so that was that particular test. I will go ahead and do that second test, which is just the 1 and the 6 in the test position. So 1 is there and 6 is there. So I'll bring these back down here. And so you leave this one in C, by the way. So there's 1 and 6. And let's see, I'll make sure I've got it. Yeah, 1 and 6. We'll go ahead and press that and see if that still shows any good. It does. So this is a good tube. And so actually it was in this box. So it may have been a new in the box tube. I don't know. And how accurate this tube tester is, I cannot be certain. But it does appear to work, and physically quite nice. Here's the roll chart, by the way. I wanted to show you that it is working also. Just rolls up and down like that. It claims it tests over 2,000 tubes. So it has the original build manual here, which is really nice, because this was a kit that somebody put together. And then here's the flyer for the tester. And then here's some additional pages that they sent that give maybe European numbers. But that's it. That's what it looks like. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and shut this thing off now. And that's just right here. You just put it in the off position, and the way the light goes. And so that's how it works. And I will show you that the case is pretty good. It's got a little dust there. I'm going to try to clean that. But it's in nice condition. It just looks like it was either never used or rarely used. The CONAR Model 223 tube tester.